Hey guys, Shane Outlaw here, and I just got mystery tackle box in the mail. So haven't opened it yet. So I was fixing to open it, thought I'll shoot a video. I've thought about getting a couple of these for a couple of buddies for Christmas presents or birthday presents. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got in it, all right? All right, guys, here's the unveiling of the mystery tackle box. Hope y'all can see this. Oh, look at that. Got a little, well, I'm not far enough out, am I? So, got a little ruler in there. On the cardboard box, not real sure if you'd take cardboard box fishing with you or not, but got the Googan Squad Filthy Frog. Can y'all see that? That's pretty cool. Nice little popper, topwater lure. It's got the pro tips on how to use the frog. What all's inside this box. Couple of tips and tricks guide from Mystery Tackle Box, which you know, there's some fun facts and stuff like that. Wow, I got 2 hooks, 2 worm hooks. I'm pretty impressed by the 2 worm hooks. Yeah. Okay, keep moving. It's going to get better. Oh, we got a little jig, a little weedless jig right there. That's a pretty cool color. I really dig working jigs. That's a 3/8 ounce. Let's see, what else? Oh, got some Yodo worms. Wonder if you could work those onto that jig. I'm pretty sure you can double up. Put the worm on the hook. I really dig worms. I really dig fishing with worms. I've got a pretty cool little sticker there. That's pretty cool. Uh-oh, I see something that says Lake Fork. Boot, boot, boot. Red alert, red alert. Lake Fork. Lake Fork fishing worms. And they're garlic and salt impregnated. Impregnated garlic and salt fishing worms. Hey, I'm impressed right there with that. So what's really cool is a lot of times on the backs of these packages, they don't give you rigging tips, but Lake Fork lures and worms do. So these worms right here are really made, in my opinion, for a Texas rig, where you put it right in the middle. But you know, there's other ways you can do these worms too. But it gives you a couple of different rigs on the back here. So I really like this packaging, and I really dig the worm. So you know, all in all, for I think $14, I think this is a pretty good deal. You know, what, $5 for the worms, another 4 or 5. Weedless jig, probably $4 or $5. Couple of hooks. Frog, probably $7 or $8, right? So, and then some other neat stuff. So, I think it's worth the deal to maybe try this for a couple of times and see what you get. Again, I don't get anything off of this. I just wanted to try it out, and so, you know, I'm thinking about sending some to my buddies, my brother, a couple of buddies of mine down in San Antonio for Christmas presents or birthday presents. So definitely a pretty cool deal. It looks like there's 2 different types of hooks in there. So maybe there's one of one type and another I need to read. And then I got a sticker, which I really dig that sticker. It's July, 4th of July bass. So hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, watch this entire video. Please follow me. I've been kind of out of pocket with work, but I'm going to try to do a couple more videos a week. Stay cool, and I appreciate you watching the video. Thank you.